Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have an LED work light that works with the 20 volt Dewalt batteries. So if you've got some Dewalt tools and you have the batteries, you're able to use this device. So there is some instructions in there, but I'm going to guess we can probably figure this out without the instructions. It has a little hanging bracket, and then it's got the connector up here, and then the switch back here for it. So I have a Dewalt battery. Actually, this is a Ryobi battery on a Dewalt converter. So we're going to try this out. So really only running it at 18 volts instead of 20, but let's see if it works. So now we have it connected up, and there we go. So we have, wow, whoa, that's pretty bright. And that's got the plastic I can take off it. So there we go. So now we have a work light. So that's got one light there. I guess it's, oh, the number 2 is way brighter than number 1. So I think it's running 2. Is it that 2 LED strips, or maybe just brighter? I don't know. But there, that's what it looks like. You can kind of see it's got lots of different little reflectors going on in there. Oh, that's why when it's on the number 2, it's all the lights are lit up there too. Ha ha ha. And then when it's 1, it's just this little strip there. So that's what the difference is. Or no, 1. No, I think they're all lit up all the time, just the number 2 has it super bright. But this is a really cool little device here, so if I need a light somewhere and I want to hook it up and make it so it's rechargeable and all that, I have this light here, and then I can just switch out batteries when it gets when the battery dies out, and I can always keep my light going instead of having to have one that has its own battery that you got to keep recharging. So totally awesome to have handy. If you don't have a work light, you definitely need something like this so you can take it with you and use it whenever. Thumbs up.